Alright, so I just picked up my Jetta GLI. Turbo on this thing sounds fucking beautiful. 5-speed, no center console, but the seats are mint. Door panels look like shit. Seats are beautiful though. I'm happy, really happy. Car drives very smooth. I'm gonna head home, get this thing painted, make it look good, because the outside looks like shit. I'll show you when we get there. Has that straight pipe rattle to it. Got a check engine light, it is what it is. I don't give a fuck about those. They're always on in my cars. But other than that, we're good. Cruising. Oh, I love it. All right. So here she is. Shitty inside door panels and all. This is my new to me, 2001 Volkswagen GLS. Came with the ugly little BBS wheels that everyone seems to like. I hate them. So I like what the last owner did, because they replaced the seats. So it has this fresh black interior in it now. I love it. Brand new. Even the rear seats also looking brand new. So props to them for doing that. So that made the car look a lot better for me. Now I just need to get some matching door panels for the front. We're gonna switch these to black. I might even be able to just color coat these and just use some of the color vinyl on them. We'll see what I can do. But it looks so good. Side, it is just poor shape all around when it comes to the paint, but I'm gonna take care of that. Another ridiculously cheap car. Could not pass this one up. The price was too good. All right, and for all the Volkswagen guys out there wondering, this is what we're working with underneath the hood. Nothing super impressive. A couple of things have been upgraded, as you could clearly see, but yeah, pretty cool. We'll get back to messing with this tomorrow. I'm gonna strip the whole car down and we'll get working on paint, because right now the paint in this thing is absolutely trash. So I'm gonna paint this the same color that I'm painting the 55. Let's get to it. All right, so first things first, we're gonna remove all of the logos and the emblems from the car. Make it a lot easier to tape the car off. Should also make it easier to sand it down too. These look like crap. I'll probably just replace them, but or I might be able to paint them and fill them back in. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Wipe the car down. We're gonna use some mineral spirits to make sure this all comes off. Before I do that, I'm gonna spray the car and get as much off as I can with the air hose. All right, so to mix up the paint color, we have some white, we have some blue, and then I'm going to use whatever I have for the bucket that I was going to mix for the 55. We're going to throw a little bit of that into here, get a color for that. Let's do it. Make sure we get everything off the bottom. We don't want to leave anything behind. Get as much of that pearl in here as possible. All right, it's officially time to start spraying the car. the first side of the car looking majority of the way done. Still have to touch up a few spots and hit up the other side, but we're looking really good so far. Let's keep this going. All right, well, here she is. Looking pretty damn good so far. Has a nice blue pearl tint to it. I have to run to town, go do a few things. Gotta knock out a couple errands and pick up some supplies, and then when I get back, I'm gonna spray the second coat, and then we'll be good. All right, we're good to spray. Get this up. That line peeling perfectly. Hell yeah. It's looking really good. Big improvement from when I first got it. Not gonna be afraid to drive it around now. Honestly, I hate driving cars that look like crap because I feel like they're just targets for police to pull you over. This one already has a loud ass exhaust. I don't need any more reasons to be messed with. So we have one solid color now. I think it looks good. I'm about to go clean up the overspray areas. We're gonna get the rims painted white, get the car lowered, and once that's done, I think it's gonna look great. Hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned to see where this goes, and stay tuned to see where my 55 build goes, because I'm about to get started on that one tonight. We're going to spray that as well, and man, I can't wait. These cars are looking so good. Let's get this pressed on in place. Looking good. Got the other one on. Love it. All right. So I am now removing as much of the grime as possible from the wheels. And then we're going to sand them down. Do this once again to get as much of it off as we possibly can. And then we will start to spray them after we tape them off. All right. Let these dry. They should be good to go. So I just hit my wheel off with some iron lac white. And it's looking really good. I prefer the BBS to be white rather than that ugly light silver that they came as. I don't like that OEM silver color. So this is a lot better. I'm about to polish out the rim, and then we'll get these back on the car. Big improvement though. Looks so much better. Okay, well I just got the second wheel on the car. The white BBS are looking so much better. This is a big difference. I absolutely love it. We're gonna get to the other side of the car now. Spray those wheels, but already it's a huge change and it's looking so much better. This This right here is gonna look so good in the car. Let's get this on now. All right, so we have the grill on. I'm about to back the car out so we can take a look at it with both the wheels white. And just do a little cleanup on the inside of the engine here. It's looking really good. Wipe down all the G+ high pressure, high heat coolant hoses. Previous owner did all that. But it's looking really good now. I am going to come back in here and re-hit this. I got some spots like these I'm going to touch up with the paint, but I love it. Car's looking so good. Let's put the hood down so we can see what it looks like. All right, so here she is with her fresh grille, freshly painted white BBS wheels, freshly painted car. It's a 2001 Jetta GLS 1.8 turbo Wolfsburg edition, and I love it. I think it's looking so much better. It's time we get the car lowered now. That'll be the final step. Then I'll cruise it around for a little bit and then sell it. All right, let's go for a quick trip. Fucking love this car. Absolutely love it. So clean. That looks so much better. Still have to do a little work polishing out the lips. I just got the majority of the crap off them. I'm gonna buff them out, make them shine really good, but right now this is huge improvement for where we started. Looking so good with the fresh grill and wheels so far, making a huge difference. It's time we get the car lowered now. That'll be the final step. Then I'll cruise it around for a little bit and then sell it. So smash that like button, subscribe, stay tuned to see where this goes, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.